Hello. Today, it's afternoon. This afternoon, I will be digging a hole, 2.5 feet, so that I will be able to erect this post that I made previous day, and I will only use 6 posts, and the rest I will use it to support the other new posts that I will make in the coming days. So watch over me while I make the hole because I am working alone here, and enjoy my video. So today I managed to dig 3 holes, only 3. My arms are getting cramps. So these are the holes. One. This is 2.5 feet. 1, 2, 2, and 3. I already made a mark for tomorrow. I will dig here, here, and here. Continuation to all this lining post. So I will continue again tomorrow, or oh, these are gloves. So these are the posts. The posts are ready, but I will only choose which one I will place there in the hole. Only 6 posts I will place. So that's it. See you.